Welcome to the Commerce Co-op program. We're Management Career Services, and we're here to provide you career development services and work-term support throughout your time at Dow. You made a smart decision choosing a co-op program. By gaining relevant experience before graduation, you will enter the workforce with an impressive resume and gain confidence and many transferable skills to leverage for the rest of your career. Grads agree that work-integrated learning makes it easier to transition from school to a successful career. 95% of 2021 Commerce Co-op grads actively seeking employment were employed within 6 months of graduation. As for current students, last year Commerce Co-op students collectively earned millions of dollars, and many received a high rating from their co-op employer.
At EY, we love to hire co-op students from Dalhousie. The co-op program is a great way for students to put in practice what they have learned in their classes into real-life scenarios. During their co-op terms, they will receive training and will learn how to work in a professional environment, making them ready to take on a full-time role upon their graduation.
Whether you have an idea of which industry you'd like to pursue or plan on using your co-ops to figure that out, MCS is well connected to employers across industries, sectors, and locations. No matter which career path you choose, the MCS team has the resources and services you need to become career ready. You will be assigned a career and recruitment specialist you can meet with for resume feedback, interview practice, industry expertise, and more. MCS also has resources you can access on our website and Brightspace. And keep an eye on the My Career event calendar for employer information sessions and networking events. Come visit us in the Row in Suite 2100 or book an appointment on My Career. Stay up to date by following us on Instagram and reading our weekly e-newsletter.